Welcome viewers. Welcome to our channel Learning Corner. Lesson 2 is about the Sunnah Dua after waking up from the bed. But before starting, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon below. And yes, don't forget to like, comment and share. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdu Alhamdu Lillahi alladhi ahyana ahyana ba'dama ba'dama amatana amatana wa ilayhin nushur wa ilayhin nushur. Again, Alhamdulillahi alladhi ahyana ba'dama amatana wa ilayhin nushur. Alhamdulillahi alladhi ahyana ba'dama amatana wa ilayhin nushur. All praise unto Allah, who granted us life after death, and we are returned to Him. तमाम तारीफ़ें अल्लाह अज़्ज़ व जल के लिए, जिसने हमें मौत के बाद हयात अता फ़रमाई और हमें उसी की तरफ लौटना है।